everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for those of you who want to support your liver without spending a fortune. A liver cleanse can seem expensive when you hear about fancy supplements and organic foods, but the good news is that you can still take care of your liver on a budget. In this video, I'm going to share some affordable foods, DIY herbal teas and simple lifestyle changes that will help you cleanse and detox your liver without breaking the bank. So let's dive in. So your liver is your body's detox powerhouse. It filters out toxins, processes nutrients and helps keep your overall health in check. A liver cleanse can help you feel more energetic, improve digestion, and even clear up your skin. But you don't need expensive supplements or organic only foods to support it. Let's start with budget-friendly foods that are great for your liver. These are great items that you can easily find at any supermarket, and they don't have to be organic to be effective. So beetroot. Beetroots are fantastic liver supporting foods. They're rich in antioxidants and help increase enzymes that detox the liver. Plus, they're inexpensive and available all year round. Now, you can roast, steam or add to salads, smoothies or soups or even make a juice. Now, garlic, our everyday herb, is a powerhouse for liver health because it activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. It's also budget friendly and easy to add to almost any meal. Now you can add crushed garlic to stir fries, soups or salad dressings. And lemons are cheap and simple, a great way to kickstart your liver in the morning. So lemon juice helps stimulate bile production, which aids in digestion and detoxification. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into warm water and drink it first thing in the morning, or you can just slice it into water and let it steep and drink it, sip it throughout the day. Now lentils, they're a great source of fibre, which help bind toxins and flush them out of your system. Now they're affordable, versatile and full of nutrients to support your liver. You can add lentils to soups, stews or make a simple lentil salad. And your leafy greens, yes, your dark leafy greens like spinach, kale and rocket, they're rich in chlorophyll, which helps neutralise heavy metals and other toxins. They're often affordable, especially when bought in bulk. So you can throw them into smoothies, saute them with garlic or use them in salads. Now let's talk about some affordable DIY herbal teas that can support your liver cleanse. You don't need expensive tea blends. Simple dried herbs will work just as well. And they're very cost effective, like dandelion root tea, which I've got right here. And I've got it in its raw organic form. Now, dandelion root is one of the best herbs for liver detox. Now, you can buy organic dandelion root from naturalworkshops.com at low cost. So to prepare the dandelion root, you can use 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink once a day to support your liver function. And then something as simple as lemon and ginger. Now, instead of buying fancy detox teas, you can make your own liver supporting drink with fresh lemon and ginger, both of which are inexpensive and easily available. So to prepare it, just add a few slices of ginger and lemon to hot water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then drink this in the morning to kickstart your liver. Now, turmeric tea. Now, turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that supports liver health. Now, you don't need a pricey supplement. Just buy turmeric powder, make sure it's organic for effectiveness. You can get that at naturalworkshops.com. And to prepare it, you just need half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper to increase absorption. Make sure it's in hot water, and you can add a little lemon for taste. Now, aside from food and teas, there are simple, affordable lifestyle changes that can help your liver detox naturally. Drinking enough water is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to support your liver detox. Aim for about 2 to 3 litres of water a day to flush out the toxins. Now, you also don't need a gym to boost your liver function, so don't spend money on gym memberships if you're just going out to do a cleanse. Just gentle exercise like walking, stretching or yoga helps stimulate circulation and encourage your body to detox naturally. Good sleep is crucial for liver regeneration. Your liver does a lot of its detox work while sleeping, so aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's free and effective. Now, one of the best things that you can do for your liver on a budget is to simply avoid processed foods and alcohol. They can burden your liver and slow down detoxification, so cutting them out can make a huge difference. So as you can see, you don't need to spend a lot of money to support your liver. Simple, affordable foods like beetroot, garlic, leafy greens, along with DIY herbal teas and an easy lifestyle changes can all make you a huge impact. Your liver will thank you for it. Now, if you're interested in sourcing organic herbs at affordable prices, head over to naturalworkshops.com where you can get your wildcrafted and organic herbs. But before you start any detox and use any herbs, always consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any medical conditions or you're pregnant or breastfeeding or taking medication. Now, if you're interested in joining our live Health Seekers Telegram group, it's free to join, and we have fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, like and subscribe, but don't forget to hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on natural solutions for your well-being. Thanks again for watching. Be healthy and always stay wise.